Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to remove and replace front turn signal light bulbs. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. Now this is quite easy to do on the passenger side and a bit more struggle on the driver's side, but it is still doable without removing bunch of unnecessary things. First I will show you the easier side. Now turn signal bulbs are right here, so all you have to do, you have to turn this socket counterclockwise, you see, and pull the bulb out. That's everything. And now to remove the bulb from the socket, you pull it straight out, right? There is no twisting or anything, and that's it. To install it back in, just push it in and install the socket back into the housing by twisting it clockwise. Okay, and now the driver's side. There is an air box here kind of on the way, but you should still be able to do it. I will try to show you where is the socket. You see it right there. I will turn the flash on as well. Now you should be able to squeeze your hand inside through here and turn that socket and pull the bulb out. See, I can squeeze my hand inside without any problems, and I can turn that bulb using two of my fingers. So it's definitely doable. Now in case you have a big hand, or if that socket is stuck and you cannot remove it, what you will have to do then, you will have to completely remove the air box, and that will give you much more space to work with. And to do that, first you want to disconnect the MEF sensor. You'll have like a security tab just down here, this red one. Pull it out and then pull the connector. Then you will unclip two of these connectors, lift up the cover. Then you will remove these two bolts and lift straight up, and then you will have all this area clear to remove it. But like I said before, you should be able to do it, or find somebody with small hand to do it for you. So the best tip would be come from this side and just get your hand inside down here. And I'm a guy and I can easily grab that socket and turn it. Okay, I'll even show it to you that it is doable. Okay. And here is the bulb, right? Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.